Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fully set up and configure on TP-Link router model TL-WR940N. Let's go start. First, connect your mobile or computer to the router and open a web browser. Then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. Then click on Login. Then click on Next under Quick Setup. You can also find these details on your ISP's website or by contacting their support. Enter the information provided by your ISP in the corresponding field, then click on Next. Choose the name of your wireless network and customize your own password. Then click on Next, and then click on Finish. Click on IP and MAC banding in the left side menu. Then click on Enable. Then click on Add New under the IP address bind list. Type your MAC address and IP address for the declaration IP. Then click Save. This process is completed. Click on Wireless, and click Wireless MAC Filtering and click Enable. Then click on Add New. Type your MAC address. And description for MAC address. Then click on Save. This process is completed. Click on Parental Control from the navigation options. Then click on Enable and Add New. Type here for schedule controlling for the PC or mobile Mac. Allow website description put in here. If you maintain the schedule, then click on Schedule. Type your scheduler description. Customize access control for every day or day's ways. Access started time and end time. Then click on Save. Scheduler settings is done. Go next step. Press Windows key plus or open the Run command and type here your WAN IP address ping command. Go to Security from the navigation options and click it. Then click on Advanced Security. Scroll down and toggle off Ping Packet from the WAN port and the LAN port. Replay massage for ping is completed. Click Network and click LAN. In the LAN IP field, type in the new IP address you want to use. Click the Save button. Asking modification IP, then click on OK. Wait for restarting the router. Reconnect router with new IP. Job is done successfully. Click on System Tools. Then click on Backup and Restore. Then click on Backup. Now again click Factory Defaults for Reset the router configure. Wait for restarting router. Reconnect router with new IP. Go to System Tools, then click on Backup and Restore. Then click on Choose File on the right side. Then click on Restore. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe. Log in again. You see the job is done. Click on Wireless and click Wireless Settings. If you choose to rename the Wi-Fi network name, then click on Save. Again, click Wireless Security under Wireless. Modify the router password. Then click on Save. Job is done. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.